air fryers have revolutionized the way we cook, offering a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods while maintaining that coveted crispy texture. As the popularity of air fryers continues to rise, two brands often lead the conversation: Cosori and Ninja. Each brand offers a range of models designed to cater to various cooking styles and preferences, making it essential for consumers to understand their differences. In this detailed comparison, we will delve into their specifications, features, design, cooking performance, ease of use, cleaning and maintenance, price considerations, and customer feedback to help you make an informed decision about which air fryer is right for your kitchen. Specifications: the Cosori 5.5 liters air fryer is designed with home cooks in mind. With a capacity of 5.5 liters, 5.8 quarts, and a powerful 1,700 watts, it is well suited for preparing meals for families or small gatherings. Its dimensions -32 cm in height, 30 cm in width, and 30 cm in depth make it compact enough to fit on most kitchen countertops without occupying too much space. Weighing in at 5.4 kilograms, 14.4 pounds, it's also relatively lightweight for an appliance of its size. The air fryer boasts 11 preset cooking functions that cover a wide range of foods, from steak and poultry to frozen items. Additional features include a preheat function and a keep warm setting, enhancing its versatility. With dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleaning, the Cosori air fryer typically retails around $119.99. On the other hand, the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone takes air frying to another level with its larger capacity of 7.6 liters, 8.0 quarts, and robust 2,400 watts of power. This model is designed for those who love to cook for larger families or entertain guests. Its dimensions are slightly bulkier, -31.5 cm high, 38 cm wide, and 26.5 cm deep, making it a more substantial presence on your countertop at a weight of 8.2 kilograms, 18 pounds. The Ninja air fryer features multiple cooking functions including max crisp, air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, and reheat. One standout feature is its dual zone capability that allows you to cook two different foods simultaneously while ensuring they finish at the same time, a game changer for meal prep enthusiasts. Like the Cosori model, it also offers dishwasher-safe components, but generally comes at a higher price point due to its advanced features. Features: when it comes to design, both air fryers have their unique aesthetics that cater to different preferences. The Cosori air fryer showcases a sleek and modern design that fits seamlessly into various kitchen decors. It is available in multiple colors, allowing users to choose one that matches their style. The user-friendly touchscreen control panel is intuitive and lights up when activated, making it easy to navigate through settings. Conversely, the Ninja air fryer, while bulkier in appearance, offers practicality with its dual zone feature that enhances its functionality. The digital control panel is straightforward but may require more counter space due to its larger footprint. Cooking performance: both air fryers excel at delivering crispy results with significantly less oil than traditional frying methods. The Cosori model has garnered praise for its even cooking capabilities. Users report perfectly crispy fries and chicken wings thanks to its innovative double heating element that cooks food from above and below simultaneously. The presets are effective but may require slight adjustments based on personal preferences or specific recipes. In contrast, the Ninja air fryer stands out with its versatility and speed. Users appreciate how quickly it cooks food without sacrificing texture or flavor. The Max Crisp function delivers extra crispy results that rival deep-fried foods while allowing for various cooking methods such as baking and dehydrating. Ease of use: user-friendliness is a hallmark of the Cosori air fryer's design. The intuitive touchscreen control panel makes selecting cooking modes simple. Preset cooking modes are clearly labeled with icons, facilitating quick access to desired functions. A convenient feature allows users to pull out the basket during cooking without interrupting the timer, ideal for checking progress without hassle. Additionally, the Cosori model includes a recipe book filled with creative ideas tailored specifically for air frying enthusiasts. This can be particularly beneficial for those new to air frying or looking to expand their culinary repertoire. The Ninja air fryer also prioritizes ease of use. Its digital display simplifies adjustments for temperature and time settings. The meal sync feature allows you to cook two different foods simultaneously while ensuring they finish at the same time, a significant advantage during busy meal prep. Moreover, Ninja provides an extensive recipe guide that encourages users to explore various cooking techniques beyond just air frying, such as roasting vegetables or baking desserts, which can be appealing for those who enjoy experimenting in the kitchen. Cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning an air fryer can often be a concern for users looking for convenience in their kitchen appliances. The non-stick basket and drawer are dishwasher safe and can be easily cleaned by hand as well. However, some users have noted that grease can accumulate in hard-to-reach areas over time. To mitigate this issue, regular maintenance is recommended. Users should ensure they clean all components thoroughly after each use to maintain optimal performance over time. Similar to Cosori, the Ninja's components are designed for easy removal and cleaning. They are also dishwasher safe. However, due to its larger size, some users may find it challenging to fit all parts into standard dishwashers. For those who prefer manual cleaning methods, using warm soapy water can effectively remove any residue or grease buildup after cooking sessions. Price. The Cosori Air Fryer tends to be more budget-friendly while still providing excellent performance across various cooking tasks. The Ninja Air Fryer, generally priced higher due to its extensive features like dual zones and multiple cooking functions, offers greater versatility that might justify the investment for avid cooks or families. While both brands provide good value for money given their performance capabilities, potential buyers should consider how often they plan on using these appliances when weighing cost against functionality. Customer feedback. Understanding customer feedback can provide valuable insights into real-world experiences with these products. Many users praise the Cosori Air Fryer for its reliability and ease of use. First-time air fryer owners often highlight how quickly they adapt to using this appliance thanks to its straightforward controls and effective presets. Additionally, customers appreciate the variety of colors available, allowing them not only functionality but also aesthetic appeal in their kitchens. On the other hand, customers who opt for the Ninja Air Fryer frequently commend its multifunctionality. Many report using it not just as an air fryer, but also as a versatile kitchen tool capable of preparing diverse meals, from crispy fried chicken to perfectly roasted vegetables or even desserts like cakes. Users often note that while it may take up more space on their countertops than other models due to its size and features, it ultimately becomes an indispensable part of their culinary routine. So, which one is better? Choosing between the Cosori and Ninja air fryers ultimately depends on your specific cooking needs and preferences. If you're looking for a straightforward air fryer that delivers consistent results at an affordable price point without overwhelming features or complexity, the Cosori Air Fryer is an excellent choice. On the other hand, if you desire versatility with advanced features like dual-zone cooking capabilities and faster cooking times, ideal for larger families or meal prep enthusiasts, the Ninja Foodi dual-zone air fryer may be worth considering despite its higher cost. Both brands bring unique strengths to the table. Whether you prioritize simplicity or multifunctionality in your kitchen appliances will guide your decision-making process as you enhance your culinary adventures with these innovative devices. Ultimately, investing in either brand will likely elevate your cooking experience, allowing you not only healthier meal options but also exciting new possibilities in your kitchen.